Hey guys, welcome back to the Pancake Breakfast Club. Wesley is already running his mouth. We ain't even started. I don't know what his deal is today, but he is on one. Look at him.
Y'all gonna see Mike get beat up.
He ain't worked a hard day at all this week.
Let me ask you one question. You ever been beat up by a skinny guy? It's all bone.
Yeah.
Them knuckles gonna hurt.
Mm-hmm. Sure. Whatever. Anyway. So today, what we're doing is we're going to tear down this like 0102 6.0 LS that Wesley bought from Dave Fricky. And
The famous Dave Fricky.
yeah, the world famous Tito Dave. We're gonna make sure it's supposed to be a good motor, but we're just
we're gonna beat up Dave.
Yeah, if it ain't, Dave's gonna get it. But we're gonna tear it apart because Wesley's got something super special planned for this motor, even though, you know, Wesley's not even a super special guy. So, but he's gonna put some boost to it, whether it be turbos or supercharger. We're leaning towards turbos right now, but yeah, and then he's gonna put it in a 64 Suburban. You know, as most of you know, Wesley has a 64 Suburban. I say that like people should know.
No, most people probably don't know.
Yeah, nobody knows. This comes like the flood of comments like, and he's got a Suburban. But anyway, yeah, so we'll set the GoPro up, do a little time lapse. We're gonna pull this thing up, start pulling it apart, making sure it's a good buildable unit, which I don't see why it wouldn't be. I mean, short of if we take it apart and there's nothing inside of it, which still.
Ooh, Dave Fricky, you are gonna get it.
There's already, like, I mean, look at this. I mean, this motor is, this is scrap heap right here, broken off manifold bolts in an LS. I mean, it's done for. I mean,
It is. It's
yeah.
supposed to be a relatively low miles motor. I'll show you
Yeah.
where the relative low miles comes from. It's written right there. If you, like 130,000 supposedly. It's what Dave Fricky said. So
You have to watch who you ask, like what low miles is, because some people's low miles, because, you know, like I'm poor, so everything I own is like 280,000 miles. So like, oh man, you got something with 195 on it? Ooh, what's your payment like? You know. Yeah.
it's gonna be pretty once it's done though.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're filming.
Lame.
Well, we got it mostly tore down. We're running out of GoPro batteries.
Yeah, it's not too bad. This one cylinder's got some stuff hanging out in it, but it don't look too bad. It's definitely usable. I mean, for what we're gonna do, you know, pretty much nothing in here is gonna be saved anyway. We're gonna put Gen 4 rods and pistons in it, so yeah, we're gonna use the crankshaft, but everything else is gonna be new. So yeah, one cylinder wall's got a little rust of brewing on it. Looked like someone got a little water in it before it sat, but it certainly ain't got no 100,000 miles on it, I'll tell you that though. This shit's pretty damn carboned up.
Dave. Wait until I see you next time. Here's all the old stuff amongst the table. All the old wiring and such. But we'll get it tore apart. We'll get it to the machine shop. We'll get it all freshened up and go from there.
Yeah, now Wesley needs to just get on Neil Summit Racing and spend a butt ton of money.
The sucky part. Alright, more videos to come.
Toodle!